Generic engineering models are often designed to provide broad solutions across various scenarios. While they offer convenience and simplicity, these models can overlook critical nuances specific to individual projects or environments. Relying on a one-size-fits-all approach may lead to inaccurate predictions, inefficiencies, and even costly errors. It is important to recognize that each engineering challenge presents unique requirements that generic models may not adequately address. Understanding these limitations is essential for developing more tailored and effective solutions. Custom engineering solutions are designed to address unique challenges by focusing on the specific requirements of each project. This tailored approach allows engineers to optimize performance, ensuring that systems operate efficiently under varying conditions. By adapting designs to fit precise needs, these solutions often lead to greater flexibility and responsiveness. As a result, organizations benefit from enhanced reliability and the ability to quickly adjust to changing demands. Ultimately, custom engineering fosters innovation and drives continuous improvement in diverse industries. Customized solutions offer significant scalability advantages, particularly as projects expand and evolve. Unlike generic platforms, tailored systems are designed to accommodate specific requirements, making it easier to integrate new features or adapt to changing demands. This flexibility ensures that unique challenges, which often arise during growth, can be addressed efficiently without compromising performance. As a result, organizations benefit from smoother transitions and reduced disruptions, positioning them to respond proactively to future opportunities. Ultimately, customized solutions provide a robust foundation for sustainable development in dynamic environments. Custom engineering solutions consistently deliver superior results compared to generic models due to their ability to address specific needs and challenges. By tailoring designs and processes, these solutions optimize performance, efficiency, and reliability in ways that one-size-fits-all models cannot. They also allow for greater flexibility and scalability, adapting to evolving requirements over time. Ultimately, the precision and adaptability of custom engineering lead to more effective outcomes and long-term value for organizations.